Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a DIY picture frame. For this DIY, I have taken a piece of cardboard and drawn a rectangular frame. Cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Cut out some extra strips to add thickness to the frame. And stick these strips to the back side. Next, I tried painting the frame, the finish of which I did not like. Therefore, I decided to cover it up in yarn. Stick one end with glue gun and start wrapping it around your fingers. Make a bundle and then start wrapping it around the frame. Wrapping the corners can be a little bit tricky. Use glue gun as and when necessary to hold the yarn in place. For more convenient wrapping, you can even wrap the yarn around a pencil first and then start wrapping it around the frame. Our basic frame is ready. String yarn through a needle and then I'm going to pass the needle through these handmade DIY pom-poms. Make 2 such strings. Now tie these strings to the frame with a double knot. Place the photographs that you want to use and check the placing for the second string as well. And tie it up. Stick the photographs with scotch tape. I will also add these glitter hearts and stick them with scotch tape too. And stick 2 more pom-poms on the frame. And that's it, our cute little DIY photo frame is ready. You can use this DIY picture frame for upcoming Valentine's Day, for any other occasion or even as home decor. So guys, if you like this idea, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you for all your love and support. See you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.